everyone. I'm Adya Patel from Seattle Desi TV, and today we have Pearls and Petals with us. You are?
My name is Mamta.
So, I wanted to ask you, what do you sell?
So my business, Pearls and Petals, we do puja decor items, home decor, temple decor, and men's clothing and boys clothing. I have a lot of Laddu Gopal items which I try to sell at very reasonable price so everybody can do a shringar of their Laddu Gopal and feel happy.
Okay, that's amazing. Yeah, I've seen your designs, they're beautiful.
Thank you so much.
What inspired you to start this business in the first place?
So when I moved to Seattle, we used to not get these items. My business it started in 2018.
Yeah.
So that time very few options available and Bothell hardly people were selling all
Yeah.
this. We used to wait for season to season to buy these things. Now I'm doing this. My husband used to tell me do something which will bring a new collection also and at the same time reasonable pricing. So
I
that
think
was my
I think I agree with you. I think we face the same issue with not finding enough options for Indian and cultural home decor. So this is amazing.
Yeah.
And if they want to contact you, how can they contact you?
So we are based in Bothell. My phone number is there on this banner also, and then you can reach Seattle Desi. They will always be connected to us. We really appreciate them for giving us this platform and working with us. So we are based in Bothell. Please come. My whole my house, my garage is converted to a store where you can come and shop.
Okay.
And you'll find more collection. And a collection is moving. Touchwood, because of the reasonable price, people love to buy, so it's moving. So new collection come very fast.
Okay, that's perfect. Thank you so much for
Thank
being
you,
here
thank
with
you.
us
We
today.
really appreciate.
Of course. I'm Adya Patel from Seattle Desi TV, and we are here today at the Grand Summer Mela. And this is.
Ruchi from Home Decor.
So, what do you sell here?
So I sell some puja stuff and the home decoration stuff. Okay, and some cushion cover, table runners. I have some beautiful hangings. You can see this, and some toran like this. You can see. Yeah.
They all look really pretty.
Thank you.
What is your story? What inspired you to start this?
I just like to make this. I just customize also. I love to make this some decoration work, some rangolis and hangings. So just my interest.
Are these all homemade?
Yeah, most of things.
Oh wow, that's so cool. And if they want to contact you, how would they contact you?
Yeah, I'm staying in Samamesh, so you can contact me in Samamesh. This is my Ruchi Home Decor. This is my QR and my contact number here is.
Okay, that's perfect. Thank you
Thank you.
Thank you for being here with us.
Thank you so much.
Hello, everyone. I'm Adya Patel from Seattle Desi TV, and we're covering the Grand Summer Mela. And right now we have the owners of Callista Forever. You guys are?
Hi, I'm Pinky. I'm Bidhi.
Okay. And what do you guys sell here?
We are really gift specialists. Like we do personalized gift customization. A lot of customization. We have a jewelry, home decor items. I think very good items. Yeah, so we do a lot of gifting business. We do customization. Our main motto is buy bulk gift items, give it away, and the pocket will not hurt for sure. So definitely come by at our stall and do follow us on Instagram.
So you guys look like you have a lot of kind of, teamwork, working together. How did you guys start this business together?
Oh yeah, so it was a funny thing because we were tired of giving property to each other during Diwali parties. So this is how we started a business. We were partners and we just wanted to provide the female of Seattle to work with or like buy something which is different and unique other than jewelry or bags or clutches. So that is how we actually started this business.
Okay, that's actually amazing. I haven't seen any like purses or anything in Seattle like this before. So I think this is an amazing and unique idea for you guys. Thank you so much for being here with us today. It was really nice to be with you. Of course. Hey everyone, we are Seattle Desi TV and I'm Adya Patel and this is the Great Summer Mela. And with us right now we have El Cosmos and you are?
Swati?
Okay, so Swati here is going to tell us about her company. Let's learn a bit more in the table right here. So, how did you initially start this, and what was the idea behind your company?
So I started it, 3 to 4 years back. The idea generated. to make every cosmetic line specifically plant-based, not
Yeah.
any chemicals added.
Yeah.
Because I'm very prone to use the makeups and everything, but
Yeah.
I observed that everything is chemicals there.
Yeah.
So and then eventually it's gradually ruining and damaging the skin.
Yeah.
But plant-based not only gives a safe skin type, but also it enhances your beauty in the long run. So
Yeah.
the idea generated from that,
Okay.
and then it made commercial last year. Yeah, so everything is plant-based in this company.
Okay. What are some products that you sell here?
So right now I have we have 3 products. One is the face serum, and one is the face cream.
Yeah.
Dry skin and normal skin.
Yeah.
So these are the 3 products going on.
Okay,
now.
that's perfect.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for having the interview with Seattle
Thank
Desi
you so
TV
much for
today.
covering up
And if we wanted to contact you, how can we contact you?
You can contact us at www.l-cosmos.com.
Okay, that's perfect. Thank you
very
so much.
Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Adya Patel from Seattle Desi TV, and today with us we have Peacock Fashions, and you are?
I am Peacock Fashions by Jayanti. We are selling antique jewelries, design jewelries, and designer chudidars and sari, everything. So once you come over here, it's a one-stop. You can get all the things from head to toe. We will do sari alteration, blouse stitching, and pure Kanjivaram sari directly from the handloom. So this usually people will wondering for the blouse stitching. We will do the blouse stitching within the 2 days. So everyone, whoever in Seattle or all over, we are shipping all over US. So please reach out to Peacock Fashions by Jayanti. It's a one-stop for all the women and the girls. Even we are having the kurtas for men's too. So we having some few jewelries for men's collections. Please do come and visit Peacock Fashions. Now we are in Vaya. Vaya is a great upcoming organization. We are enjoying all the peoples in Bothell. We are enjoying the cultural and how they are organizing is awesome. Please do support us, and especially we are having a youth volunteers. Please join for Vaya and check it out in Vaya, please.
Okay.
Thank you.
Also, I was wondering, so how did you get the idea of starting this in the first place?
I used to dress up and used to make a lot of new varieties of jewelries. All my friends initiated me to start the jewelry business. First, I want to thank my friends actually. That's how it happened.
Okay,
Yeah.
and if any of our viewers want to reach you, how can we reach you?
Please reach out to Peacock Fashions by Jayanti in Instagram, Facebook, and my number is 425-219-6908. And the timing will be, I'm very flexible. You can reach out to me anytime. I will be a customer friendly. Once you come to me, and you will learn how I will be. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much for having
Thank you. And especially thanks to Seattle Desi TV for supporting all the entrepreneurs. Please keep supporting us. Thank you.
Of course. Thank you. Hello, everyone. I'm Adya Patel from Seattle Desi TV, and we're at the Grand Summer Mela, and we have Popular Blinds here with us today. So I just wanted to ask, what is Popular Blinds, and what do you guys offer?
Hi Seattle DCTV. First of all, thank you for covering our Popular Blinds. So this is Harita from Popular Blinds. So we do free consultation, free estimate, and free installation of all the blinds. And we have different kind of blinds like zebra, roller, honeycomb, foxwood, Shangri-La, and even dream curtains we have. The main thing which brings or stand out from the crowd in the blinds business is that we have quality products, and we do a free consultation. We come over to your place and offer, we show you the samples, we show you the fabric, and we can take it from there. So yeah, so feel free to give us a call, follow us on Facebook, Insta, and please message us if you are looking for any blinds. And not only for the new houses, we also do an upgrade for the existing blinds. That is also one thing we do. You can sit, relax, and we take care of everything.
I'm sorry, I think the audience didn't catch your name here.
This is Harita from Popular Blinds.
Okay, thank you so much
Thank you.
for being here with us today.
Thank you, Seattle Desi TV.
Here.
Nice meeting you.
Hello everyone, I'm Adya Patel from Seattle Desi TV, and today we have Giggle Glow candles with us today. What is your name?
Hi, my name is Dimple.
Okay, Dimple here is going to talk to us and give us a little snippet today. So what inspired you to start Giggle Glow in the first place?
I just wanted to spread some giggles and glow. So I made a candle brand where you can find quirky designs and whimsical designs with some glow if you light them up.
Okay, what is something special about your business that you wouldn't find usually in normal like other candle businesses?
All my candles are made of toxin-free ingredients. There aren't any phthalates or parabens, making them clean and good to burn. And they come in various shapes and sizes. There are some food-inspired ones, which will surely make you laugh.
Okay, I see that. I see the chai one and the samosa, and then there's the vada pav here, and then there's a lot of Indian sweets here too. A lot of other coffee items, matcha. Awesome! Thank you so much for being a part of our little interview segment here. And if our viewers want to reach you, how would they reach you out?
They can just reach me out on Instagram. It's giggle.glow.candles. I can't wait to meet you guys.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. Oh, you're good. Thank you. Hello, everyone. I'm Adya Patel from Seattle Desi TV, and with here we have Silver Sitara, and we are at the Grand Summer Mela. So, what's your name?
My name is Kajal.
Okay. Hi, Kajal.
Hi.
So we were wondering what inspired you to start Silver Sitara.
Oh yeah, definitely. So I personally, my mom was going through some health issues, and we were talking with some doctors, and we were talking with the astrologer and astronomer, like everybody, and then we came to know that the benefits of silver in your life. So he suggested me also, because of the stressful life here in US, that you should start wearing silver.
Yeah.
And my mom, me, we all started wearing silver. My own son, he's a Bappi Lairi.
Yeah.
We wear all the gold, and then we moved to silver for him
Yeah.
as well. And we started feeling the benefits. We started feeling like how calm it does to us. So I thought, okay, this is a right opportunity for me to give something to the community, and
Yeah.
let's give everybody some silver. And that's how we started Silver Sitara. We are just 2 months old, and yeah, we are trying our level best right now.
That's such a heart-touching story. What kind of jewelry do you guys sell here?
Oh, we sell everything for all the ages, like from bangles, from bracelets, anklets, from kada to earrings, toe ring, nose pins. Yeah, we have everything for you.
Okay, that is amazing. I saw some of your designs and I found them really cute.
Yeah, so all our designs are very delicate and daily use designs, and they are anti-tarnish.
Yeah.
So you can wear it every day.
Okay, that's perfect. So if our viewers want to reach out to you, how would they contact you?
So we are on Instagram, and we have our phone number. They can just follow us on Instagram, and we are always available.
Okay, that's perfect. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kajal.
Thanks so much.
Hello, everyone. I'm Adya Patel from Seattle Desi TV. Today we have Paramparyam, which is a clothing store. And what is your name?
I'm Priya. I run Paramparyam, which deals with most of the traditional Indian clothing and jewelry store.
Yeah, okay. So, can you tell us what inspired you to start your business in the first place?
I mean, the inspiration is probably because my love for all the Indian clothing. I never fall short of wearing all the saris and the dress. I always look out for an opportunity to wear them. And I thought that's what it goes with all the women here. We are staying in US, and then we like to dress up sometimes for our events. That
Yeah.
inspired me.
Okay. And then as for like what your store itself, what do you sell specifically?
We sell all kind of Indian clothing, right from saris to kurtis, from tops. We also sell Indian jewelries, more traditional kind, more temple jewelry.
Okay, that's great. And then if our viewers want to reach out to you, how can they reach out to you?
So I'm available at the Facebook page. Please follow Paramparyam. This is my number. There's a number as well, and you can reach out to me if you have any inquiries.
Okay, thank you
you.
so much for being with us today.
Thank you.
Nice meeting you too. Hello everyone, I'm Adya Patel from Seattle Desi TV. We are at the Grand Summer Mela, and we are with Sunshine Partner Group, and you are?
I'm Shweta Sangepu.
Okay, so would you want to tell us what your consulting group is about?
Yes, so the Sandu Wealth Builders are basically we provide a financial planning for a basic families to like how to plan their finances and their future. For example, the will and trust is something that basic requirement for each
Yeah.
and every family.
Yeah.
So God forbid if something happened and we don't want to leave our children with nothing, and
Yes.
right, so we need a basic will and trust, which gives the minor kids guardian to someone whom you trust 100%, and also basic financial needs.
Yeah.
So not just that, we also provide a long-term care, all kind of a life insurances.
Yeah.
Like we also provide college planning and also the retirement planning for people.
Okay. Yeah, I think that financial like planning is really important. What if like our viewers want to contact you? How would they contact you?
Yes, I have a website called Sandu Wealth Builders. You can schedule an appointment going there, or you can reach me on 631-672-5991. This is my contact, or you can always go to a Sandu Wealth Builders website and then schedule appointment from there.
Okay,
as well.
that is perfect. Thank you so much for having like an interview with us.
Thank you, this is Seattle TV, for your immense support, and thanks to be part of your group. Thank you.
Of course. Thank you. Hello everyone, I'm Adya Patel from Seattle Desi TV, and we have Gauri Putra here with us today, and you are
Vinay.
okay.
Thank you, Adya. I'll just introduce
Yes.
myself and what Gauri Putra is all about.
Yeah.
So, my name is Vinay, and I am representing Gauri Putra here today at the Grand Summer Mela. What we are trying to do is we are trying to get Ganesh idols for this Ganesh Chaturthi this year in Seattle. We make our Ganesh idols from 100% recycled paper, and we only use natural binders and natural colors so that it's safe for the environment. And our idols dissolve completely in water in just under 3 hours. That's the best feature for our idols. Yeah.
Okay, wow, this is amazing. I've actually never seen anything like this in Seattle before, and I think we were looking a couple of years ago for this, and I did not find anything similar to this. So I think it's really great that you started this. Do you have any story behind why you started this?
Yeah, actually, there is one. So we have our artisans back in India from whom we used to get our idols from my childhood.
Yeah.
So they this year we reached out to them for the same thing, and looks like they were running out of their business this year. So we said that we're gonna try giving global sales a shot to see if they can sustain their business. So for that reason, and only for that reason, we are giving away most of our global sales directly to them. We don't have any distributors, we don't have any middlemen. Most of our sales directly goes to the artisans. So that's how we started Gauri Putra in Seattle, and we are also planning to expand this in the near future.
Wow, this is such a noble cause, and it's amazing to hear that artists from India are finally getting the recognition that they deserve.
Yeah, that's exactly my point.
Yeah, thank you so much. And if our audience wants to reach us, how would they contact you?
Sure, we have our website www.gauriputra.com, and we also have an Instagram page of ours. You can reach us at iGauriputra, and you can DM us for any questions or inquiries. Our website is live, and you can book your Ganesh from our website. And we'll hold the Ganesh for you until the festival, so you can conveniently pick it up 2 days before the festival. So we are offering a pickup location at #Dance Studio on August 23rd and 24th. So you can come here, visit us, see your idol in person, make sure everything's fine, and then pick it up.
Thank you so much, Vinay, for this.
Thank
little
you so
snippet.
much, yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Hi guys, this is Sudha from Seattle Desi TV, and we are here at Washington Indian Association. They have organized a big amazing event called Summer Mela. We have President of Washington Indian Association, Ram Sundar Garu. Let's talk with him and get to know many more things about this Summer Mela. Hello Ram. How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm doing good, thank you, and thank you for this amazing event. It's super nice to see such a big crowd, so many vendors and so many cultural performances and everything. Could you tell more details about this, how you guys came up with this idea and other things?
Sure. Firstly, thanks for the Seattle Desi TV for coming and then covering the entire show today. Like you mentioned, this is called the Grand Summer Mela. And this is like the first time Washington Indian Association is going big way in an outdoor way. And this is going to be like a annual event as well moving forward, scaling up into big cities next year on. And the main agenda is to really bring in, as you see, a lot of local businesses, giving them opportunity to scale up the business market themselves coming out. And then also bringing the community together to talk and then mingle with each other. And most importantly, bringing out the cultural talents, we have. Besides that, we also, and the elections and stuff like that are going on. We really want to encourage quite amount of candidates. They are joining us as guests today and then talking about themselves. So Washington Indian Association, this year it has been like the third event after the Spring Mela and then the Dance Seattle Dance. So after this, we have many more lined up. We have Dandiya coming up, a matrimonial meet called Milan, it's coming up. And then a grand Diwali celebration is also, a Festival of Lights is also coming up. And those will be announced soon. Rest of the events, we have dates all lined up. So it's going to be busy with multiple events.
So you have mentioned many number of things. I would like to introduce by you. Can you introduce your team, your backbone of Washington Indian Association, the board members? Please introduce them.
Sure, I will do. And I also wanted to call out that any proceeds with all these events do go to the local organization. So just wanted to call out. And a very nice way of introducing the board. I will introduce quickly and I will also hand over the mic to them. This is Chandra, our board member, and also the founder of Seattle Desi TV. This is Sweta, our board member, and she also women entrepreneur running financial planning and stuff like that. She is my wife, Jayanti, co-founder of Washington Indian Association, and that's Priya. So Priya is our board member, and she is also, owning women entrepreneur, owns a lot of business, and that's Mr. Vetri, part of our core team.
Awesome. You guys are doing amazing job. You guys pulled this event in a very well organized way. I can see that. Many more to go. Anybody wants to speak something, Chandra?
Yeah, first of all, thanks to all the volunteers of the Washington Indian Association and also vendors and the public to support this one. This is such a huge crowd and amazing event. And thanks to the weather too. It's amazing and beautiful evening today. But again, as Ram said, we have multiple events coming up soon. So please encourage and support in the same way. And thanks again to everyone.
Hello, hi. Thanks for joining us today. Hope you guys enjoying the event. And thanks for your immense support for our event, promoting all the way from the planning phase to till today. And this morning also they posted a video, live video, and we are almost like within 30 minutes we had 300 plus views. So thank you once again for your immense support. And this is a platform for the vendors, and moreover the food. You might have seen already there's a huge crowd near the food store, the food vendors. And that's all I would say. And please do follow us on the Instagram and the Facebook. And we also have a website. Please go through for our latest updates on the website. And I'll give it to you next.
Hi, thanks for coming over here and supporting us. And here we have a lot of people. We expected for more than 1.7, but we expected a little more than that. But because of weather, still we got a lot of people coming and going. We are so happy about it. And one more thing I want to point out over here, we are supporting the youth volunteers. So whoever are willing to join us, please visit our website and join our youth volunteers. And we are having a credit score which is helpful for their college joining. Please support us. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Priya. I'm one of the board in Seattle Desi TV. Thank you, Seattle Desi, for covering us. So this association started with the motive of giving back to the community, and we really want all of you to support us so that we can move ahead. We have different interesting events lined up. We have Milan 2025, which is a matrimonial meet. And spread the word of mouth through your mouth to your friends and families if they are looking for alliances or something. Thank you again and keep supporting us.
Vanakkam. So I'm Vetrivel, Director of Federation of Tamil Association North America and a proud volunteer of Washington Indian Association. And I see the tremendous growth and community build-up, okay, in the past few months. I think in March or sometime they started this awesome, okay, organization. And I see the community build and steps they are taking, and it's scaling and keep growing steadily. And last 3 events I think we did indoor, and now we are making a very big event. Okay, so keep up going, keep up the good work. As a community, let's all come together, join, and let's take and pass our culture, tradition to our next generation in America. Thank you.
Big sound, big applause to Washington Indian Association team. Here you go. And this is Sudha signing off from Seattle Desi TV. See you soon next time. Bye-bye.